Hey everyone, let's move on with next lesson. Let's talk about the screen. All of us, we have this picture and this picture. Probably it's a little bit different in your case, but this one should look the same. Now there is a question. My screen is looking a little bit different than your screen, and how can all of us have the similar screen? To reach this same screen, what we should do, probably this is the first time you're using Photoshop and you don't know how to change it. For that, you need to go for the Windows part. There we have a workspace. There you can press Essentials. You just press it one time. And you might not have a result because Essential is the same for me here. Or you might have a result. If you had a result already, this is already good. If you didn't have results, you go to Workspace again. You do not press Essentials now because it is default version for me, but it's not default version for you yet. What you should do there, you need to go for Reset Essentials. You just press it one time. As you see, now all of our screens, it looks the same. It should look the same in your case too. So look, here we have a lot of functions. We have colors, properties, adjustments, and everything. But you need to understand that for the very beginning, you don't need all of this. So therefore, we just take all these, three things. We don't need them now. We just press to this little button. There you have a close tab group. We just close it, and now we have less things, as you see. We have layers, which is so important. We need layers. They're very essential. And we need one more thing. We need history. You can just change the location of this to here. 1 second. Comments, we don't need comments now. We just close the tab. And we can move it to here. We can change this position a little bit. So we figured it out how to, find the history and layers. Of course, we have colors, these things and that things. We don't need them for now. We just need only history and layers, only for now. If you cannot see these tools in your laptop fully, you can even press this button. It makes it a bit more organized. So, task for you again, you have the files, you should do it as I did. You need to have a history and layers. That would be very easy for you to move on in the next lesson if you have only history and layers. So everyone, if you are enjoying our course, we have a little announcement for you. If you want to learn Photoshop from zero, from scratch, and want to become a graphic designer, start making your own independent money, we have a full version of this course. The course was constructed in a very fun and easy way, so I myself strongly recommend you to join this course, because you will learn how to use a Photoshop in a few days. So don't waste your time and click the link in descriptions to join the course, and I will see you there.